Is Twitter dead? Even if it isn't, there are several apps vying to replace the iconic Bluebird. Mastodon Post, Substack Notes, T2 Blue Sky, and now possibly Instagram Threads from Meta and Mark Zuckerberg. Threads, the new text-based conversation app, launched yesterday, a day early. It looks like Twitter with messages and replies from other users. Users can easily follow their favorite accounts on Threads, potentially helping them grow their follower base. Threads arrives at a critical moment for Twitter as owner Elon Musk's changes have driven away some users. Musk's recent decision to limit usage for non-paying members has faced intense backlash. Verified accounts can read up to 6,000 posts, while unverified accounts are now limited to 600. Will Threads or any of these text-based conversation apps replace the Bluebird? What do you think?